So here we are again, everybody. We got the wires out of the way in this closet ceiling, all labeled and tucked aside. And the light box out of there. Now we've got to get rid of this thermostat wire, which will have to come back in some form after we finish tracing it down. So I'll take this crappy piece of phone wire that I disconnected yesterday and fish that into the place of the thermostat wire here in the wall, so we can use it to pull a new thermostat wire in. So we got the wires wrapped around the wires and a little bit of tape. There you go. Pulla, pulla, pulla. Alright. Placeholder. These hooks certainly are convenient. Alright, let's make some room for some air conditioning. Heat pump. And as I said yesterday, we want to carve these floor joists down until there's about 2 inches remaining there. So, there's 1 1/4 inches from the edge of my saw table to the blade. So I put in a 3/4 spacer and guide, and we'll get a nice straight 2 inches. Okay, better idea from that stuff I said yesterday. Ed's agreed to take on the responsibility of destroying the historical significance of the drywall behind the refrigerator. In order to gain access to the wiring behind this panel. Thanks, Ed! Well, and there, folks, is why you cannot be afraid to remove drywall. I haven't seen this trick before. They put a panel over the panel. And there's where all of that conduit went. There's probably our original service.
Yeah.
Definitely our original panel. It's got all the conduits that come from the perimeter somehow. Probably not anymore because they're all rotten. But so this service that we are keeping is not original. It's a fake.
So that means that all this ceiling stuff, all this drywall in here was replaced at some point, and it's not original.
And now you can own a small fragment of drywall once owned by Buckminster Fuller. For only $99.95. Fortunately for the other plan, we still would have found this, pulling the other panel off the wall. But it's much better this way. Well, looks like it's time for another electrical meeting tomorrow. I told you it'd get more interesting around here. Alright, well, there is lots of clearance for a heat pump. And I've added some support in here, where these 2x6s were just joined together with blocking every so often, so I have something under that guy. And we'll add some steel in here, get some angle to strengthen all of this. And big electrical decisions in the morning. And a nice safety support in case someone was to step there. See you tomorrow.